Go.
All right. So if you have an issue with your stove knobs always breaking, for $2, you could go buy some heat shrink tubing. There's the package we use. And it's super easy. We've done this with our other knobs and they've lasted over a year without breaking. So you just cut it, slip it on, and my kids are going crazy in the back. But there you go. You just shrink it. And again, with our other knobs, they've lasted for over a year, no breaking. I tried to use this to fix a broken one and it didn't work, but as far as taking a new knob and doing this, it holds up. So good luck.